So hello everyone. Yes. So my name is Catherine Reano. So it's really a great pleasure to welcome you at this roundtable on the impact of biofouling on marine structure of offshore renewable. So finally, we have succeeded to organize this session. So as you all know, it wasn't so easy. So at least this webinar session will be safe for everyone. So I have to confess that we are not too familiar with the webinar system. So please be kind and forgive us if things go wrong and are not too optimal. So before starting, I will give you a little advice to avoid problems with the webinar system. So please switch your camera off and turn your microphone off when we start the presentation. This is to liberate bandwidth and make the presentation more easy flowing. So if you want to comment or ask some question, so do not hesitate to use the chat box or the chatter. So, and then I will follow my advice. So I will switch my camera off and start the presentation. Yes. So today this session is dedicated to the problem of biocolonization. As you all know, biofouling can be a major problem for the performance and for the profitability of floating winds. So to talk about this subject, so I'm very pleased to welcome 4 experts. So Fabien Coury, who is working for Bureau Veritas. So it's a company, it's a French company in charge of the security assessment. So then we have Arthur Cotet-Aymar, who is working from Ideol. So it's a leader company in floating foundation in offshore winds. He will give us his feedback experience on biofouling. So we have also Nolwenn Killian, who is working for France Énergie Marine. So she is a marine ecologist, and she will give us key points to understand why it's so difficult to monitor and predict the biocolonization process. And finally, Guillaume Damblanc, who is working also for France Énergie Marine. He will discuss about practical and specific needs for the renewable marine energy industry. So the big question is how to secure the structure and how to improve the maintenance. So the biocolonization is of course an issue for every type of marine industry, but what are the standards for the offshore industry? What are the current practices? So Fabien, will share his experience on these aspects. So then in the second talk, Arthur Cotet will give his feedback from the area of the field of floating wind turbines. Which design solution have been chosen? What are the inspection protocol and what should be optimized? So in the third talk, Nolwenn will explain the biolocalization from an ecological point of view. So is it the same process everywhere? Each time, can we really predict it? And at the end of the presentation, Guillaume will present a few research and development projects funded by France Énergie Marine on this topic. And this objective of this project are to define new protocols answering the need of the industry. But one big question remains, is there a same approach for each subsea component? So let's start the session now. So I give the floor to Fabien. And please do not hesitate to make your comment and ask your question in the chat box during the talk. So we will try to put them in the logical order and ask the presenter to answer them at the end of the session. But probably there will be too many questions, so we will be frustrated, but please don't be too frustrated if your question is not selected. So we will record all of them and respond to them later in the meeting minutes. You will, of course, have also the possibility to contact any of us afterwards.